Like I'm Muslim and I try to stay away from riba, and riba one of the biggest sin Allah mentioned in Quran. I'm Muslim,
Yeah.
and I try to stay away from this because riba is like one of the biggest sin, and people underestimate this. Riba can kill not couple people; they kill all like cities, countries. I know a lot of people like big businessmen, when they realize what is this riba, and they have like big contracts they offer, like big banks, they want to invest, and when they understand this is riba, they say no. They say no, no, only 1%, no, half percent, no, same thing, half percent or 50%, no is no, riba is riba, and that's why, and it's a little bit sad to understand that there is not too many invest companies like who can help billions Muslim people who want to stay away from riba.
BMTUMY, transaksi syar'i tanpa riba.